My dudes, this is Math Time with Mr. G, and today we're going to talk about ArcSin. There's ArcCosine, there's ArcTangent, and they might call these sine inverse, cosine inverse, or tan inverse. It all depends on what your calculator is looking for. So first, let's talk about sine again. So sine, I have opposite over hypotenuse. So that means the sine of 25 is equal to h over 13. And again, this is just a number because it's a ratio. And I multiply 13 up times sine 25 is equal to h. I plug that into my calculator and I get sine of 25 is 0.4 times 13, and I get 5.49 is h. So this is useful when I know a degree in one of the sides and I need to find the other side. But what if I only know sides and I need to find the angles? So let's find the measure of c. So in this case, using that radical seems hard, so I'm going to use the adjacent side and the hypotenuse, so cosine. So cosine of theta, the unknown angle, is adjacent over hypotenuse, so 5 over 11. So cosine of theta is equal to 5 divided by 11 is 0.45 repeating. Now, if I multiply this whole thing by the inverse of cosine, or ArcCosine, what I do to one side, I must do to the other. ArcSine of cosine and cosine cancel, and I'm left with theta, or just the missing angle. And then ArcCosine is normally a shift button on your calculator. Shift ArcSine of cosine, 0.45 repeating. And I got 62.96. Now that I know theta, I know that that's a right angle, I can find out this side. So 180 minus 90 minus 62.96, and I get that the measure of A is 27.04. Other than that, ask lots of questions and think deeply.